Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of sorts. I already looked at it, so I'm just sharing with you what I got in my Boxy Charm for the month of August. This is the third month that I have been receiving Boxy Charms. And this month is actually the best month out of the three so far. I am filming this on my iPhone. I am filming this on my iPhone because the battery on my camera is dead and I am too lazy to charge it. But I did want to come and share with you what I got in my Boxy Charm. So we are going to get started. This month's Boxy Charm is Spa, Glamping, Sunbathe, Yoga, and Slumber. And the card looks like this. I did get 5 items in my box and I got variation number 5. So we are going to jump right in and I will show you. The first thing that I got is the Morphe I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection, and it looks like this. I was just on Ulta this past week looking for eye brushes from Morphe, and then when I got this, I was very pleased. This brush, do they even tell you where the brushes are? So you get this brush here, which looks like a little mini concealer brush. You get a little mini, looks like blending brush. You get a regular blending brush, and then you get an angled brush that you can use for either liner or you can use it for your brows. So that is the I Got This set. I also got an eyeliner, and this is from Rockin's, R-O-C-K-I-N-S, and it is called the Big Fat Liner, and it looks like this. And I'll take the plastic wrapper off of it so you can actually see it. All right, that should be a little bit better. So it looks like this, the Big Fat Liner, and that is what the tip of it looks like. I am very interested to try that. The next thing that I got is from Clarins. Oh, where's my card? The Morphe eye brush set is valued at $12. The Rockin's Big Fat Liner is valued at $25. The next thing I got is from Clarins, and it is the Velvet Lip Perfector 01. So 01 was the one I got. And I don't know, I think my window is kind of blurring out everything, but this is what it looks like. And it has that little felt tip applicator on it. I do not want to squeeze it out. I am assuming that the color of it is the same as the color of the tube. And this is valued at $26. It says Clarins Bestselling Natural Lip Perfectors Go Bold with a New Matte Finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers high pigmented velvety finish with a soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. I had never heard of this, but excited to try that. The next thing I got, I was kind of shocked that I got because I don't know how they thought that they could match me, but I got the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, which is this, and they gave it to me in chestnut, and I have one of these, but I have it in maple because I was matched to maple, so I've been purchasing maple, but this is what the chestnut looks like, and that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I'm actually going to try it as a concealer. I think it's going to be like super close to my skin tone, so it'll be perfect for concealing up under my eyes. And the last thing that I got was the Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. And it looks like this. And of course the palette looks just like the packaging, and these are the shades on the inside. Very, very, very pretty. We are actually going to swatch a couple. So this swatch right here is the bronze. We're going to swatch the rose gold. This is the rose gold, and I'm going to swatch that aqua color. And we'll swatch that there. This is the aqua. The aqua, I thought it had kind of a shift to it, but I guess not. But that is the aqua. And I'm going to swatch this blue sky, which is the matte blue right beside the aqua. And that is the blue sky. That's a terrible swatch. That's the blue sky. So this is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. This is actually my first Violet Voss palette. I have never purchased anything from Violet Voss at all. And that palette is priced at $36. The Too Faced Born This Way concealer is priced at $29. That is it, you all. This is my favorite so far of my Boxy Charm boxes. That means we are going to continue to give Boxy Charm a try, because before I got stuff that I was not super happy with. But that is it, you all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I know it's weird because I am doing it on my phone, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.